Starting a new book, Izzy?
No, I finished. What do you think is better? Starting something or ending something?
I think both.
You're right. And today's show is for both beginners and enders. Hello and welcome to my friend Izzy. Today we are playing a song with our Pre-Twinkle Friends and also a song for our friends who are at the end of Book 2, the Minuet by Boccherini. You know, I've been so busy reading that I forgot to look up some information on the composer. What are you looking for?
I haven't opened an investigation in a while, and I'm feeling a little bit antsy.
This is perfect. Then maybe you can help us out. I need some information on the composer Luigi Boccherini.
Luigi Boccherini.
I'm on it. Thanks, Wes. I really appreciate this. I shall find malfeasance! Just some fun facts would be nice. Oh well. Okay, Pre-Twinkle Friends. While Wesley is out, investigating, let's play together. Just the other day, I was planting some seeds, and I was reminded of the flower song. Do you have your violin? Would you like to play flower song with me? Great. Let's play flower song together. How did it go? Did you remember to rock your bow to the A string? Oh, great, you're back. How did the investigation go?
Terrible. Turns out Boccherini was a stand-up guy.
What did you find out?
His dad taught him how to play the cello.
Oh, that's cool.
He toured all of Italy and France.
That's interesting. Anything else?
He composed music for the King of Spain.
Wesley, these are all fun facts. Thank you for sharing.
Well, you're welcome, I guess.
Hey, why don't you get your violin and play Boccherini's Minuet with us?
Well, I guess there's nothing else to do.
Our friends at home will play with us. Are you ready? Let's play together. us today. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Izzy, I just opened another investigation.
Well, I'm glad to see you've cheered up. I'm almost afraid to ask, but what exactly are you investigating now?
Why is Mississippi the only state used to count a full second?
Oh, you mean like one Mississippi, two Mississippi?
Exactly!
I guess you could say Alabama or California or Minnesota.
Exactly! I shall uncover a conspiracy that undermines the fabric of our nation. Teresa, get me John Cena.
Good luck with that. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now.
I have 2 words for you. 1, Mississippi.